Hi, this is Jerry from How To, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a virtual hard disk on your PC. It could be on Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. Okay, so you already have your drives here. You can see your drives if you are on Windows 7 on my computer, or if you are on Windows 8 or 8.1, you can see it on this PC here. If you open this PC, then you can see your drives available on your PC. So sometimes you may want to create virtual hard drive. Actually, virtual drive is really useful sometimes, especially if you want to install a separate software on that. You can take it with you anywhere and use it on any other computer. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a virtual hard drive. You can also use a virtual hard drive to boot from that drive. Sometimes if you have dynamic hard drives, you may not be able to boot from the partition. So you may want to convert your dynamic disk to basic disk. So in this case you can create a virtual hard disk that's basic and keep it on C drive and boot it from that and install Windows OS or any other OS. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create virtual hard drive on Windows 8.1. I'm using Windows 8.1, and if you're Windows 8 or Windows 7, the options are almost same, but maybe accessing the option may be a bit different. Okay, so on Windows 8.1 you can access the disk management from here, the start button. Right click the start button and you will see the disk management, or right click the my computer and you will see the manage option. Click the manage option and it will bring up the disk management tool. So here is my disk management section. Here we have 5 drives, one is system reserved and there is the CD-ROM. Anyway, so I'm going to add a virtual hard drive on this PC. So to create your virtual hard drive, click outside, then here, then go to actions, and here you can see attach VHD and create VHD. So attach VHD, if you already have a virtual hard drive, you can use this option to attach that VHD to your drive system. Okay, and create VHD is used to create a new virtual hard drive on your PC. And here you have this create virtual hard drive panel. First you need to save this file somewhere on your drive and make sure you have enough storage on that particular drive. So I'm going to save this virtual hard drive on my desktop, then I'm going to name it Microsoft VHD. Okay, virtual hard drive, so it can easily be identified. So save it. Then next, how much MB you want to allocate for this virtual hard drive. So as I said earlier, make sure you have enough space, enough storage on that particular drive that you are going to save this file. So I'm going to allocate about 5 gigabytes, so 5120 MB. Then here you have virtual hard disk format. You have 2 options here. Actually you don't need to, if you're on regular personal PC, you don't need to use this option, so keep it as default. The next one is virtual hard disk type, fixed size or dynamically expanding. Dynamically expanding means the size of your hard disk or virtual hard drive grows depending on the file size written to the virtual hard disk. So I think it's fixed size is recommended. Use fixed size. So I'm going to create a 5 gigabyte virtual hard drive. Okay, and then after that click OK. Then it will show the progress here. Here you can see the progress of creating the virtual hard disk on your Windows PC. So it's now 16%, 20, it's growing. Then let it be. So it's done. Now here you can see a new drive here, unallocated. it's unallocated. So if you want to be able to use this, you need to allocate this file. Before that, you need to initialize this disk, otherwise you can use the disk. Okay, here you won't see anything here, you know, here there's nothing, there's no new drive here. Okay, so here we haven't allocated the drive, so we need to initialize the disk first, then later allocate. Now we can't do anything. So to initialize the disk, right click here. Okay, then here you can see the initialize disk. Click the initialize disk, then it will show you some options here. Select the disk 1, then MBR master boot record, gate partition table. Anyway, let it default. Then if you are using this, it doesn't, you know, all previous versions of Windows may not recognize this. There is a warning. So keep it default MBR master boot record. You can also boot files from the virtual hard this disk. Okay, then click OK. Then it's now initialized. Then now we need to allocate the storage. So to start with, just right click and click new symbol volume and click next. And here, if you want to make any changes, you can do this. You can do that here and click next. Assign a letter for your drive, then click next. Here you can name the virtual hard drive. So I'm going to name it the same, Microsoft VHD. Okay, then click next. Then if you can review the settings here. Then if you want to make any changes, go back. So anyway, everything is right, so click finish. So it's been done. Now a new virtual hard drive has been created, and now it's available on my PC. So here you can see that it's a primary partition, and I can boot files from this. Then here it is. This is a new virtual hard drive. You can open it and you can store files to it. And if you want to remove, you know, each time you shut down your computer, actually this hard drive gets deattached. So whenever you reboot your computer, you will need to attach again. To attach the file, you know, you can attach from here itself. If you want to detach, just click the detach VHD, then it will go away. Okay, then it's gone, so it's not available. And if you go to my computer, it won't be available there either. Here you can see. Then if you want to attach the file, go to actions and attach VHD and browse the file, and you can see the VHD here. Then this is the file you need to attach for the virtual hard drive. So click open, then click OK. So it's available again. It's like an external hard drive. Each time it will show you a new drive has been connected. So it's available here. Okay, so you can use this just like any other hard drive, and you can also copy its file from here, this file, to any other external hard drive and use this VHD on other Windows PC and access files from that. It's really useful. You will definitely find it useful. So that's how you make a virtual hard drive on your Windows PC. On the next video, I will show you how to boot Windows 7 or any other OS from virtual hard drive. Okay, so that's how you create. So I hope it helps. So I hope you find it very useful. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, then I'll be uploading more videos like this. So thank you.